The following question reads that which process is involved in the extraction of zinc from zinc blende? So we need to just quickly go over what is the extraction of zinc, how is it carried out. So there are two steps in the process. The first step is ZNS is roasted in air or burnt in air. So it reacts with oxygen and ends up producing zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide. And in the next step, ZNO is then that is produced in the previous step is then reduced with carbon. So carbon being more reactive, it's going to take away all the oxidants from zinc, and zinc metal would be produced and carbon dioxide would be produced. So these are the two steps of the extraction of zinc. So which one is correct? Cryolite is not used in extraction of zinc. It's used in bauxite extraction of aluminium. So the first statement is incorrect. No use of cryolite over here. The next one is molten zinc blend is electrolyzed. No electrolysis is done. Instead, you react it with carbon, which is going to reduce it. Third option is zinc blend is heated with carbon. We are heating it with carbon, but not zinc blend. We are heating zinc oxide. Zinc blend was ZNS. We're roasting it. So the last statement is actually correct. Zinc blend is roasted in air. So the first step is you burn zinc blend and then you produce zinc oxide. So option D is going to be your correct option for this question.